Hello, welcome to Nigel Daly Car Sales. Today we've got the beautiful Abarth 595 Yamaha factory racing. The car is absolutely stunning, unbelievable looking car. As you know, quite a limited run, the Yamaha factory racing, with lots of lovely little extras which we'll go through in a second. The car's a 2016 on a 65 plate. It was registered January 2016, so it's got the balance of the Abarth warranty on it, so it's got 6 months warranty left. It looks fantastic. So the Yamaha Factory Racing Edition came with Vivac springs on it, Coney dampers, the Monza exhaust, and these satin black wheels which really set the car off lovely. I'll actually show you the wheels. Raw shod in Michelin Pilot Sport 3 tyres. And the wheels are in fantastic condition. Really been loved, this car. You can just about make out the Abarth badge on the Coney dampers there. Hopefully you can hear the fantastic Monza exhaust. Sounds like an absolute supercar, sounds like a V8 when it's going well. Third wheel, again, lovely condition, nearly new Michelin Pilot Sport 3s, and all the tyres are pretty much new, to be honest. The car's in beautiful condition, really stunning. Just over 16,000 miles, and it's got the full service history as well. So the digital centre dash, obviously sport button in there, air conditioning, CD MP3, it's got the Blue and Me Bluetooth connectivity and auxiliary input as well. Back of the car is really clean, as you can see. It's obviously got a flat bottom steering wheel as well. I'll give it a quick rev. I don't know if you'll actually hear anything on this recording, but it sounds incredible. So there you have it, the 2016 Abarth 595 Yamaha Factory Racing. Any further details you can get us on 01270 382 321, sales@nigeldaly.co.uk, or through social media. Just click on the message button and you can direct messages through there. Thank you for watching.